Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at 2021's external exam for the QCAA syllabus math methods, and we're going to be going through question 2 today. So as you would have seen in the other videos, I've started splitting the questions up into their own individual videos. This is pretty much an extra resource for you guys, that way if you only need help with certain questions you can go to those certain videos and watch those certain solutions. The full exam solution is still up on YouTube. The link is in the description below. I've also made a custom external exam bundle that's in the link in the description below. So if you need that as an extra resource, check that out. But otherwise, let's get straight into this question here. So now a lot of people get this question wrong due to little silly mistakes. Not because it's a hard question, but because of just little things and rushing. Okay. So question 2, the table shows the time a technician has spent servicing photocopiers. Now, to be honest, it doesn't really matter what they're saying it is. It's just a table with time and frequency, okay? What is the probability that a given service required at least 10 minutes, but less than 20? Okay, so first of all, let's understand what we're looking at here, okay? So if we're thinking about probability and we're after a probability between here and here, we need the total time that we could have, pretty much. The max amount of time you could be spending on this, okay? Because that's going to be, what's it called, not your sample size, the number of options on the bottom, okay? Because remember, your probability, if you roll a dice, it's 1 over 6. The 6 represents all the outcomes, okay? So here, everyone puts it over 100. It's not over 100 because these represent minutes. So the sum of all of these is the total number of minutes he is doing, etc. Okay? So here, well, not minutes, it's the frequency of minutes, but in total there is 10, 30, then there's 60, then there's 100, then there's actually 200. So 200 will be on the bottom of your fraction, okay? Everyone puts 100. Not sure why, but everyone does put 100 here, okay? Now here, if we're looking required at least 10 minutes, so that means it has to be 10 minutes or equal to 10 minutes. So we're looking in this section here. We are not looking in this section because that inequality does not include 10 minutes. So you don't include that one. Now they said, but less than 20 minutes. So that means we're also looking at this section here, not this section, because that one includes 20 minutes, which you don't want. So it's just the yellow sections there. So here, all we have to do is add up those frequencies. So it'd be 30 plus 40, which is 70 over 200. Now remember, this is a calculator-free exam. We have to work out the decimal roughly. Now, realistically, you don't, because of the options they've been given here. So let's think about this, okay? 70 over 200, okay? That is less than 50%. So I know for a fact it cannot be C or cannot be D. Okay, now most people pick C because they had 100, but anyway. 70 over 200 is going to be less than 0.5 because 0.5 would be 100 over 200. So it cannot be C or D because they're greater, okay? Now, it cannot be 0.15 because that is too small. So as a process of elimination, I know it's going to be 0.35. Now, again, if you were doing this as a practice test, if you were actually checking your calculator, I believe that does give you 0.35. But that's how you guess as well, even if you don't know how to convert that to a fraction. Okay? Alright. Now, if you had any questions about this question here, you need to study discrete probability. Not probability density functions, discrete. Because discrete means not areas under a curve, they're like tables like this, kind of. Except they kind of write theirs like this, where you have x, probability of x. You need to study more of those ones there, okay? If you need a new exam bundle, the link is in the description below. Go check it out as an extra resource, okay? But otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.